I'm gonna ask you some questions about the Super Bowl, okay?
Do you guys like football?
Yeah. Yes. 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 I think so. Yeah. I will.
Are you guys excited for the Super Bowl?
Are we gonna go to it?
No.
Why are you asking about it? Yes, I'm so excited.
What's the Super Bowl, do you know?
No. A trophy? It's just a bowl.
What kind of bowl?
A cereal bowl? The best football players go to when they play versus another Super Bowl. Yeah.
Do you know what a tackle is?
They tackle the people. They tickle them when they still have the ball. They tickle them until they let go. Like bring them to the ground, like dog pile. He's tackling me like that.
Do you know what a touchdown is?
When they make a field goal, that means you stop.
Nolan, what's a touchdown?
It's not your faces. A touchdown is when you get a point.
What should you do when you score?
You go to Disneyland.
Touchdown! Yay!